Aarohi, lovely to meet you, Aarohi. Aarohi, how old are you?
5.
5 years old. Now, it says you live in India. Where in India do you live?
Kolkata.
Kolkata. Now, Aurori, do you go to school or not yet?
Not it, but it's start.
So do you do school online?
Yeah.
Oh, good girl. Now,
My school's name is Villa High School.
High school? Are you in high school?
Yes, Villa High School.
Villa High School. Now, Aurori, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have small sisters.
Oh, a baby. Oh, what games do you like to play with your baby sister?
Baby sister with karki with karki. It's made of clay with toy.
Oh, and does she like that?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, and what is her name? What is your sister's name?
Yashica.
Oh, yes, Yashica or Jessica?
Yashica.
Yashica. Oh, sounds like you love your baby sister. Am I right?
Love my baby sister.
Rowie, what is your favorite thing to eat?
Favorite to eat. Some people say rice, chicken, egg, rice, pulses, chicken curry, chicken fry, fish fry, and
Oh, you are such a good eater. You eat lots of yummy food. Well done. Now, what if you... What did you say? Oh, you like spicy?
Yes, but I am eat some chili little bit.
Oh, did you get all hot?
Yes, very hot. And
did you drink some water?
It's fat and very long.
Oh, did you bite it?
Yes.
Oh, I can't eat hot chili. Oh, no, I have to drink lots of water. Oh, you are very brave, I think. Very brave. What does he do? Oh, well done.
He think it is cool too.
So he agrees. He says, yes, I've got to put on my warm boots, my scarf.
He's agrees too. He's agrees too.
He agrees too. Yes, he agrees.
So many.
Now, we've got to think what letter is missing. Think. Think.
Think.
Think. So listen to me, listen. I'm going to stretch it out. Think.
N.
And well done, a N sound. Now here, agree.
Agree. After.
What letter's missing? Agree.
G.
G. And here, be sure.
Be sure.
Sure. Well done. Very clever. Well done. Oh, maple syrup. Do you think this is spicy or sweet?
Sweet. Honey.
Oh, it's just like honey, but it's not made from bees. Have a read.
I give you 1 star. You read nicely.
Good girl. You can get a star. Have a read. It is
a maple syrup. It is made from a maple trees.
So it comes from, well done, lovely reading. It's from the sap of trees, which is like a juice from the tree. So not from bees. Who makes honey?
Bees.
bees. But this syrup,
To make bees, I tell you, they eat flower and they'll go to her bed and his vomit and they'll take all things and they'll look so many honey.
oh, that's right. So from the flower, the bees eat the pollen from the flowers. Well done. Right, we're going to think which word we could use for our sentence. She likes maths class.
She like math class.
Now we're going to think which one can we put in number 2. She
She is that 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2.
For
Well done. So what could we say? She agrees that 2 plus 2 is 4. She thinks that 2 plus 2 is 4. She is sure that 2 plus 2 is 4.
dot.
I think we might say she is sure. She knows. She's sure.
You do with phone or laptop or computer.
Laptop.
Many American has laptop and Indian has a computer. I have a computer.
So I like laptop because if I am traveling, I can take laptop with because it folds shut.
You don't have mouse or
I have mouse. Yes.
You have this current. I don't have this current.
No, you don't have that. Yours is
You
wireless.
need a mouse now?
Wireless mouse. Lovely mouse. You are very good with your mouse. Very good. So this is a hockey stick. Hockey stick. Yes. Have you ever seen hockey? No. Right. So have a read. It is
a hockey stick. Hockey is the most popular sport in our country.
very popular. Lots of people play hockey. They love hockey.
Good job. Thank you. Please take this. What do you think it is?
What do you think this is?
I think one French fry and one chocolate milk and some marshmallow, I think.
Maybe. Called poutine. That's a funny name. Poutine. It is
with gravy, cheesy things.
cheese. Little bits of cheese. Cheese curds. Well done. Oh, we've got our flag. What is it?
Amazing, wonderful. It's for you. What color and stripe do you see?
What shape do you see? What shape?
Teacher.
What shape is that? So think about a shape, like a heart. What shape?
The leaf shape.
A leaf shape. Well done. What colors do you see?
Red, white, red.
Now, is it spots or stripes?
Yes, I know. There is white. I tell the color.
Okay.
White,
Stripes? Yes.
red.
Okay. Is it stripes or spots?
Spots, I think.
Okay. So here, stripes. See? Stripes. Like, let's think of an animal that has stripes. Oh, where is my animal with stripes? He is hiding. Oh, there he is. Who has
Giraffe.
stripes?
Giraffe and tiger.
Tiger and zebra.
But you have net connection because you become.
Am I my statue? I don't think it's my connection. I've been teaching all afternoon, but there's probably a connection between us that isn't working. You're not frozen though, so as long as you can hear me, can you hear me? Yes, good. That's all right, as long as you can hear me. So we got our maple leaf from our maple trees because of the maple syrup. Now, you're going to tell me what you think is more fun. Fun, yeah. To answer this one. What is harder, maths, numbers, or writing?
Maths.
Maths is harder. I think I agree with you. I think maths is harder as well. So we agree. So remember, agree, disagree. Right, I'm going to ask you another one. What do you prefer, apples or oranges? Oh,
Oranges. I prefer apple.
oh, I agree with you. Wow. Oh,
No. Dog to prefer orange. Apple to prefer strawberry. Strawberry to prefer orange.
so which fruit is your favorite?
Apple, cherry, and strawberry.
Oh, strawberry as well. Now, one more. Rory, do you prefer cats or dogs?
Cats. I
Cats?
like
Cats. Yes. I disagree. I like dogs more. But that's okay. We can agree or
what is
disagree.
why do not prefer cats?
Because I have a dog. I've got my own dog. And so I love my dog.
White or blue or black or
You
brown.
can say hello to my dog. Would you like to say hello? There we go. You can say hello. So he's
Hello.
not white. He's not black. What color is he?
Brown. Hello.
Say hello, Rory. Hello. Yeah. Yes, he is a little dog, not a big dog. Well done, Rory. Well done. Very good saying what you agree. And just mountains. Yes, let's have a look. So what have we got? We've got maple syrup, hockey stick,
Maple syrup.
French fries with gravy and cheese curds, and a flag with the maple leaf are in Canada.
Yes.
Yes. So Canada,
Love Canada this.
you like Canada? Okay. Now let's have a read. Around 80%. That's a lot. That's a lot. 100% is the most. So 80%, a lot, of the world's maple syrup is produced, made in Canada. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. Can you say Ottawa? Ottawa.
Ottawa.
Yes. They have two languages, English and French.
Tell me
Now,
French.
French, bonjour, au revoir. That is French. So they've got two languages, English and French. What can you speak?
I speak one Bengali, one English.
Good girl, well done. Yes, you speak two languages as well. Yes. Very good. Is that your sister? Yes. Right.
One sister.
Oh, one little. I can hear her. Yes, I can hear her. Right, Aarohi, we've got to say goodbye. You've done a fantastic job today. Lovely meeting you.